This holiday season, I'm unpacking my true sense of self and what it means to be a white man with my loved ones. Because feeling connected to my wholeness will help me be in solidarity in the fight against racism and oppression in all its forms.
This holiday season, I'm unpacking the dissonance between personal beliefs and immigration responses with my loved ones because I believe that they're in a unique position to help refugees coming across the border.
This holiday season, I'm unpacking racism in policing with my loved ones because I fear for my husband's safety and our daughter's safety. Because I want to better understand their struggles, and because I want to be part of the change.
This holiday season, as I travel near and far, I'll be unpacking my fear around having conversations around race, justice, equity, and racial healing. And if these conversations are hard for me, they're probably hard for others as well. But if there's one thing I know is that real change has to come from within. That's what's going to lead us, on a healing journey of transforming not only ourselves, but our society.
This holiday season, I'm unpacking xenophobia and populism in politics with my loved ones. Because I fear for their safety and security, because I care for social justice and stability, and because I want to keep our democracies alive. What are you unpacking?